right, we're gonna update the Lunchbox. We're gonna get rid of the stock suspension and put these oil-filled old school shocks in there that I had laying around. You can't run wheelies without this thing almost flipping over when it comes to land because the front wheel gets caught with this plastic push rod shock. I got the aftermarket shocks in and the stroke is too long. What I did is I went ahead and put some tubing on the shock shaft and shortened it a bit. I did that to these two, and I'll get those in there and get this thing back out, see what it does. Shock upgrades complete. Chopping.
She's feeling a little frisky.
Oh God. It's getting way better. The thing does not need to be on wheels. Oh my God, it's so bad. That mod makes this thing work way better. It's not sucking the wheel into the body or the shock. Totally controllable speed and way more fun. It's a blast.
Do it.